Hello, my beautiful girls and handsome boys. So, how are you? I hope you are doing well, and you must be looking for crowdfunding project using blockchain. So, you are on right video. So, give me only 5 minutes. I will show you the implementation and what is this project. So, first of all, we will learn that what is crowdfunding. So, crowdfunding is nothing simple raising a fund from the crowd. So how this gonna be? Suppose that there are many different people, many different contributors. They will contribute, someone will contribute small amount, someone will contribute a large amount, and all this will be like crowd as a funding. Then it will become a crowdfunding. We will send to a some needy person, some needy NGO. Now that most important, like there are different types of crowdfunding. Some are reward based, donation based, peer to peer lending. But in this we are gonna make this project through using a blockchain as a Ethereum. So in this, suppose that you have funded, you have raised money from different people as a crowd, and then we can send to that raised money or that fund to a someone special person or those who need that money more than us. So let's say this is a real problem solving project. So first for this we will go and we will search remix id. You just have to search and you have to click on the first link, and after that, so I have already opened it, and you have to open, you have to create one file. You have can put any like crowd, and then one dot crowd two dot sol, you can put any name. Then you can take a code from me and you can copy paste here. So I have already written a code for this, and what you have to click on first, second, third for compile. So we got a green tick mark, which means this code is successfully compiled, which means this code doesn't have any error. Now we will click on the fourth option, which is here, run and deploy. So for this we will give a target. Suppose that we want to fund as a like 1000 as a target, and deadline suppose we take a 200 as a time. We will click on here. Okay, so if you will see, we got tick, green tick mark, which means this code is successfully compiled and we got a deployed contract. We will click on here, and then as for my account I will contribute something. Suppose that I contribute as a 5 ether. Okay, cool, and I will click on here. We got a 5 ether. Okay, now as we can make different requests, we can make a payment. Suppose we want to pay to a special person, special NGO, so they can give our their address and we can contribute. So we can see deadline, we can see get balance, like who are the owners, how much amount is raised, and what are target. So we can see everything, means we can contribute from our account, we can send to another person, we can even see how much amount is contributed, who is the owner, everything we can see from this one project. Means this project can handle everything as a crowdfunding. So if you want this project, if you want more explanation about this code for this project, even like how to fill this, how to make a payment, how to fill all this, then you can reach out to me. I will help you out. I have a one special like full explanation video, everything step by step. You can watch that video and you can even learn how to run and compile, even deploy, even how to use this everything, how to click and how to contribute to other address. So reach out to me, I will send you the code and documents. And I have many different machine learning, blockchain, cryptography, cyber security project on my YouTube channel, my website. I will try to help you out. Now comes at the last slide. So guys, if you need any kind of help on blockchain projects or any machine learning projects or any like computer science project, finally projects, so you can go to my YouTube channel. You can find many different project on my website too on different domains. So I will wait for you. If you need any help, let me know. Thank you.